quite chilly out there at this time in the morning.
Do you know, the temperature here at the moment, Naga, is just hovering between 11 and 12 Celsius, so it's not as cool as it was yesterday, but you're right. Look at the view all the way down Regent Street. Look at the sky. There's a wee bit more cloud than there was this time yesterday, but nonetheless, it's gorgeous. The sun is just rising and, perfect conditions, but it's not necessarily going to stay like this everywhere. What we're looking at for all of us today is a fine start. It's also a chilly start across the parts of the Highlands. Temperatures falling low enough for a touch of frost. And we are looking at some rain and some showers coming our way, coming in from the west. Again, not all of us will see them. So if we start the forecast at 9 o'clock in Scotland, you can see the first signs of the rain in the west, the cloud building ahead of it. In the east, we've got some sunshine. As we move across northern England, down into the Midlands, heading into East Anglia and all the way down into the southeast, we've got patchy cloud, rather like this in London, but also some sunny spells. A few showers though in East Anglia. Then drifting across southern counties into the southwest of England, very similar story. It's a dry start, some sunny spells, a little bit of cloud around. Wales too getting off to a largely dry start, but the west and north Midlands, round about Cheshire into northwest England, we do have a few showers and the cloud just starting to edge in, and that is ahead of the rain which is coming out of the cloud in Northern Ireland. So as we head on through the course of the day, that rain in Northern Ireland will spread across western parts of mainland Britain. Now ahead of that, the cloud will build. We could see a few showers ahead of it again, but generally in parts of eastern England and the southeast, we will stay dry and temperatures today up to about 19 or 20 Celsius. Now, through the evening and overnight, that rain in the west continues to journey eastwards. It will already be across all of Scotland and it will move across England and the rest of Wales. Behind it, it will start to dry up and our temperatures, again, most of us staying in double figures, most 11 to about 13, apart from in Shetland, where we're looking at round about 8. So tomorrow morning we start off with all that rain across eastern and central parts of the UK. It will continue to journey away off into the North Sea, so slowly it will brighten up behind it with some sunshine, except for across the north of Scotland, especially the northwest, where we'll hang on to that. And it's also going to be quite a breezy day tomorrow. So temperature wise, well, the highest temperatures will of course be where we've got the sunshine, and that is going to be further south, where once again we're looking at those temperatures into the 20s. Now by the time we get to Friday, we still will have some of that rain across the north and the west in particular. The rainfall totals by then starting to accumulate in northwest Scotland, particularly so with height. It's also going to be quite a windy day, quite a breezy day, especially in the northern half of the country. And you can see where we've got the clouds. So once again, the brightest skies will be in parts of eastern England, the southeast, in through the Midlands, heading down towards South Wales and the southwest. But look at those temperatures, getting up to about 24. And then Steph and Naga as we head on in through the weekend, but more especially next week. In the early part of next week, it looks like we could see temperatures around about the 30 Celsius mark, but we don't expect it at this stage to last terribly long. By midweek, it looks like we could well have a thundery breakdown, then it starts to get cooler once again.
I'm just going to be happy with those 2 days, Carol. I'm going to be grateful for it.